What's the meaning of cityscape? Cityscape. Cityscape.
Cityscape. Cityscape. Cityscape refers to the physical appearance or visual aspects of a city, particularly its buildings and architecture. It encompasses everything from skyscrapers and landmarks to streets and public spaces, providing a unique and recognizable character to each city. The cityscape can evoke a sense of wonder, beauty, chaos, or majesty depending on the observer's perspective. It is a reflection of the culture, history, and aspirations of the people who inhabit and shape it, telling a story about the past, present, and future of the urban environment.